had our Genesis system for, I don't know, almost 5 years now. Ever since we first did the build, we went with the dual battery kit. Now Genesis has come out with their version 2 dual battery kit for the JK and JLs. It's a lot cleaner. You can see right here, I've got it in hand. It looks beautiful. So we're gonna show you how we went from this to this. Had a set of Stinger Offroad batteries in here, and we're now going to replace the 2 that we had with 2 brand new ones. These are 1500 amp batteries. They have 5 seconds at 1500 for cranking, so you know you're actually, you've got a quality battery. You've got one of these underneath your hood. Now's a good time to clean up some of everything that's in there and get ready for your new batteries to go in. Much better. Got rid of some of the gunk. Let's start by dropping in the batteries. If anybody's wondering, this tray that the batteries are going into is part of Genesis's full kit. If you have the first gen Genesis kit, your whole deal will work with the new setup. We're going to go ahead and screw on our terminals. And then we're going to cap it off just to prevent anything from arcing until we're ready for it. So we're going to do this for both batteries. With our batteries in, we're now ready to install the Genesis dual battery kit. You're going to notice on one side there is the button for the boost. We're going to have that pointed towards the passenger side. So you're going to be installing it with the logo towards you and straight down flat. So your positive terminals will be on the passenger side. Your negative terminals will be on the driver's side. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? So you may have noticed it's gotten dark now, and that is because we had an issue when I finally got ready to install the new I'll just call it a head unit from Genesis for the dual battery kit. I realized the sins of my past definitely bit me in the ass because we had to reverse the wiring because we had a reverse polarity battery at the time that we did our motor swap. If you guys aren't interested, just fast forward through this. You can see how easy it is to just install the 4 posts of the Genesis kit. But just to give you background, sometimes you gotta think forward and see how much you want to deal with something if ever you were to switch back to stock or swap something out. You don't want to be at the mercy of having to track down a reverse polarity battery. In this case, we've gone back to normal, but before it could have been a bigger issue because that's not an item I would imagine stocked like regular polarity batteries. Anyways, so now we're in a good place. We're ready to grab our Genesis kit, throw this in there, and here comes the time lapse. You can see how absolutely gorgeous this setup is compared to what it used to be. We've got a lot of other wires that we got to run, but for now, our kit's installed.